This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services Towne Realty property video is presented by Bill Calavani. Beautiful Madison floor plan 5-bedroom model with 2.5 baths located in the lovely and highly sought-after community of Sajo Farms. This gorgeous home gives you a carefree lifestyle with lawn maintenance by the association, owner responsible for backyard, gated private access to trails in Lake Smith, Lake Lawson Park, canoe, kayak launch, pool, clubhouse, fitness room and playground. It's near the outlets, shopping, military bases, and airport. Features include beautiful open floor plan with large great room, sunroom, playroom, gourmet kitchen, features granite countertops, eat and dining area, and center island. Elegant open staircase leading upstairs to a large primary ensuite and 4 additional beautiful bedrooms. New carpeting upstairs. Exterior has a covered front porch and in the rear of the home an oversized patio. This home has a virtually maintenance-free exterior with plank and cap trim. Warranty available. Furnished rooms have been virtually staged. For more information, review the details below.